SpaceX did not blow up a rocket this time. The rocket is still flying, but the story blew up first. In one session, the stock fell more than 16%. In 3 trading days, roughly $600 billion of market value disappeared. The scary part is not the fall. The scary part is that the market suddenly asked, is this still a space company or a giant AI financing machine? First, the madness. SpaceX listed at $135, opened at $150, and within days traded above $200. At the peak, the market value was about $2.6 trillion. It briefly stood next to the biggest tech giants on Earth. But day one had a hidden fuse. Only about 4.2% of shares were freely tradable. Thin float, huge demand, retail frenzy. This is how a price shoots like a rocket. Then the second story arrived. SpaceX turned to the bond market for the first time. Reports said bankers were preparing at least $20 billion of bonds. Translated into plain English, after raising money in the IPO, it still needs to borrow. Because AI data centers, compute, power and rockets are all cash-burning machines. This is why the market suddenly changed its glasses. Last week it saw rockets and Mars. This week it saw debt, cash flow, and interest expense. And remember, this is no longer just a rocket story. SpaceX bought xAI, agreed to buy Cursor for $60 billion, and is signing compute deals like an AI infrastructure giant. What does an AI story fear most? Not a lack of imagination, higher interest rates. The further away the future cash flow is, the more it suffers when discount rates rise. Now Wall Street is starting to reprice the Fed. Maybe no rate cuts this year, maybe rate hikes instead. Buffett even expects 75 basis points of hikes in 2026. So my read is this: SpaceX's business has not stalled. What stalled is the price the market was willing to pay. This company is obviously impressive. Launches continue, Starlink keeps expanding, and AI deals are still being signed. But a great company and a fair price at any price are two completely different things. The next question is not whether the rocket can fly. It is 3 words. Is there enough money? If the AI dream keeps burning cash while rates rise again, SpaceX's valuation story will keep getting interrogated by the market.